Hi and welcome to MyCTOfriend, the place where non-technical founders build successful startups by improving their tech management skills. I'm Amaury and today I'm going to answer a question from an MBA student from Montpellier Business School, an innovation and leadership school with a program dedicated to startup founders. His question is, can the web agency use my source code for another project? Before answering this question, let's add a bit of context. Like many other startup founders, this student is about to invest in his first product. Hopefully, a web agency is going to provide him a fair price and develop his application. What's the best way to quickly develop a software? It's to reuse what already exists, right? And if you are looking for an agency with a fair price, there is a good chance that they are going to reuse a small component of a software they already developed for their own project or for clients' project. And it's a good thing because they might not charge you as much as if they were developing everything from scratch, especially for you. Now, let's assume that you don't want the web agency to reuse your own software in other projects, specifically for other clients. But what happens if a competitor asks them to develop a similar application? First and foremost, they will be able to do so anyway. And this new version might even be a lot better than yours. You see, they already have the experience of creating your product, and avoiding the same mistakes and questions they already encountered will enable them to build the same product faster and in a better way. So in the end, the know-how is much more important than the source code. But what you can do is in the contract that you will sign with your web agency, your freelancer, your developer, you need to specify that you do not allow the provider to work with a potential competitor. And this will enable you, and it will avoid sharing your ideas with others, as well as make it more difficult for any competitors to find a team that has already the experience building a same or similar application. This rule will also allow your provider to sell some components of your application to clients in other industries, creating an opportunity for them to make more money and out of it, and consequently make you pay less for a quality product. So to conclude, the right approach is not to ask your developer to not reuse the source code they did for you, but instead you have an agreement that they are not allowed to work with potential competitors. And this way, the app development will cost you less, and you can also get benefits from using the other components of product they have already developed for others. And one more thing, be sure to own the source code. Create your own source code repository and ask to the developers to store their work in your own repository on a daily basis. You can check other MyCTOfriend videos to learn how to do it. And now, if you also have a specific question for your project, just go ahead and ask on myctofriend.co/ask. I will do my best to answer your question by video or redirect you to an existing content that will answer it. And I publish a new video every week, so subscribe now and learn how to be better at tech management and build your startup successfully. And also be sure to go through other content on MyCTOfriend to learn more from real startup growth experiences. I will be waiting for your question and I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Cheers!